Have you ever noticed how just a little bit of movement can change your whole day? Maybe it's a short walk around the block, stretching while you watch your favorite show, or even just standing up a few times more often. It might seem small, but these little moments add up, and they can make a big difference in your energy, your mood, and how strong you feel as the years go by. Today we're going to explore ways to stay active that truly fit your life and abilities, no matter where you are starting from. Staying active isn't just about looking good or hitting the gym. For seniors, it's about keeping your independence, protecting your joints, improving balance, and feeling better every single day. And here's the thing, exercise doesn't have to be complicated or intense or scary. There are simple, safe routines that anyone can do, whether you're just getting started, managing a few aches, or already moving regularly. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through a variety of ways to keep moving, options for every ability and comfort level, so you can find what works best for you. First, let's start with gentle stretching. Stretching is often overlooked, but it's one of the easiest ways to keep your muscles and joints flexible. Even 5 minutes in the morning, reaching your arms overhead or bending slowly to touch your toes, can help prevent stiffness. I remember a friend of mine, Carol, who started her day with just a couple of stretches. Within weeks, she noticed she could get up from her chair more easily and even enjoyed bending down to plant flowers again. It's not about being perfect. It's about creating small habits that your body appreciates. Next, we have walking. Walking is low impact, requires no special equipment, and can be done almost anywhere. Whether it's around your neighborhood, at the local mall, or even just pacing while talking on the phone, walking boosts your heart health, supports your bones, and lifts your mood. One gentleman I know, Robert, began with just 10 minutes a day around his block. He gradually worked up to 30 minutes, and he noticed he had more energy to play with his grandkids. The key is consistency, not distance or speed. Now here's something most people don't realize. Strength training isn't just for younger adults. Using right weights, resistance bands, or even your own body weight can make a huge difference in keeping muscles strong. Strong muscles support your joints, help prevent falls, and make everyday tasks easier, like carrying groceries or standing up from a chair without struggling. Start simple, a few bicep curls while sitting in a sturdy chair, or gently pressing your palms together for a few seconds. Little by little, your strength improves, and it really shows in your day-to-day life. Let's talk about balance exercises. Falls are a big concern for seniors, and practicing balance can help prevent them. Standing on one foot while holding on to a counter, heel-to-toe walking along a hallway, or even gentle yoga poses can make a noticeable difference. I've seen seniors gain confidence in moving around their homes just from a few minutes of daily balance practice. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment, just a stable surface and a little patience. Another important factor is flexibility through seated exercises. Not everyone can stand for long periods, and that's okay. Chair yoga, seated leg lifts, or arm stretches while sitting provide many of the same benefits as traditional exercises. Mary, who had knee pain, started doing 10 minutes of seated movements every morning. Within a month, she felt more agile, less stiff, and even more confident walking short distances. The lesson here is clear. You can adapt exercise to your needs without missing out on the benefits. Finally, let's not forget about fun and social movement. Dancing in your living room, gardening, or even playing with a pet counts as activity. When exercise is enjoyable, it doesn't feel like a chore, and you're more likely to stick with it. Many seniors find that joining a community class or walking with a friend makes exercise not just physical, but social and emotionally uplifting too. So, to recap, gentle stretching, walking, strength training, balance exercises, seated movements, and fun activities all play a role in keeping your body moving, strong, and independent. The real takeaway here is that movement doesn't have to be extreme or complicated. Even small, consistent steps add up over time, giving you more energy, better mood, and confidence in your daily life. You're never too old to start, and every little effort matters. If you found these ideas helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. I share simple, science-backed tips that help you stay strong, healthy, and happy at any age. Don't forget to like the video if it gave you a few good ideas to try, and share it with friends or family who might benefit too. Remember, staying active is about enjoying life, feeling capable, and moving at your own pace. You've got this, and I'll be here to guide you along the way.